Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. In the previous session, we are discuss about fermentation. Now we are proceeding to the types of fermentation. In our previous session, we are discuss about the two type of fermentation, batch or continuous fermentation. Today we are study about what is the batch fermentation. Batch fermentation, also known as a closed system, the culture is inoculated into the sterile medium contained in a closed vessel. That means our batch fermentation system is related to the closed system. No additional nutrient also required to added in this fermentation. All nutrient and mediums in neither renewed from metallic waste removed. Basic control of pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen and foam fermentation medium are regulated in this type of fermentation. Exploitation growth lasts only with few generations. There are some kind of growth phases in our batch fermentation. We are discussing further PPT. The product, be they intra and extracellular harvested product. There are some phases in batch fermentation we are discussed here. So we can isolate the growth of particular culture through the growth curves. First, typical growth are lag phase, acceleration phase, log or exploitation phase, deceleration phase, stationary phase, and death phase. In lag phase, immediately after incubation, there is no increase in the number of microbial cells. From sometimes in a period, it's called a lag phase. In this phase, the organism adjusts to new environment in which you are inoculated. That means this is the preliminary phase of the where microbial cells are required adjusted into the particular environment. Acceleration phase, in this acceleration phase, the cells just start to increasing number of accelerating. That means cells are dividing in this acceleration phase. In third one is log phase. This is the time period cell number is, that means in this log phase the number of cells are dividing the fastly. Deceleration phase, this duration when steady growth declines. In a stationary phase, the period where is a no change in the microbial cell number. That means the phase are just carbon sources are added at the end, and we have isolated only, we have observed only the accumulation. And the final, the death phase, in this period the cell number decrease speedily. In the death phase, the due of the death the cells because the cessation of metabolic activity. Depending upon the product required to the different phases of the cell growth and maintain from the further microbial mass or log phase. So we are starting to the added the particular media microorganism to uh, to further go from log phase. So we have for this production or secondary metabolized antibiotic in stationary phase are preferred. This is the particular population growth phase, lag phase, exploration phase, stationary phase, and decline phase. So in a lag phase where our cells are just growing and further they are starting growth, and stationary phase the further cells are growing, decline phase the almost over phase. Characterization of batch fermentation system. Simplest fermentation operation is sterilization also performed in this reactor. All nutrients are added before the inoculation. Maximum level of carbon and nitrogen sources are limited to the inhibition of cell growth. Then further biomass production limited by the carbon and nitrogen source. Production of toxic waste products. Thank you.